Tired of design tools that promise ease but deliver headaches? Let's settle the ultimate showdown, Placeit versus Canva. First up, Placeit. This platform shines with its massive library of ready-made mockups. See these professional shirt designs? Just upload your artwork, tweak the colors, and boom, €1 instant product visualization. Perfect for showcasing your designs without needing expensive photo shoots. But Placeit doesn't stop there. They also offer video mockups, €1 ideal for app demos or social media ads. The intuitive interface makes swapping out content a breeze. Now, let's jump into Canva. Canva is a design powerhouse offering a broader range of creative options. From social media posts to presentations, Canva has a template for almost everything. Canva's drag-and-drop interface is incredibly user-friendly. Add text, images, shapes, and customize everything to your heart's content. Plus, their extensive free library of elements is a huge bonus. So, who wins? Placeit excels at quick, professional mockups, saving you time and money. Canva offers more general design versatility, letting you create almost anything from scratch or using templates. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your needs. Need mockups fast? Placeit. Want full creative control? Canva. Choose the tool that aligns with your design goals.